Hotel in Germany uses 3D carpets to prevent guests from running.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
This is just an image.
Wow. This is cool.
I wouldn't run in there. I'm not running. It's terrifying. I mean, I feel like
This
I'm
would encourage me to run.
falling. Well, you might try it, but you're not going to consistently do it.
We grew up in an apartment, and me and my brothers ran up and down the stairs and down the hall and stuff. This would be kind of like a don't step on the crack, you'll break your mother's back type of game for us. I think we would take advantage of this.
Yeah, you're right. It might entice you.
Yeah.
You're like, I can run on this.
It's all of a sudden
But I
become
don't know.
a challenge.
Maybe it's so disorienting when you're there
Could be.
that you're just like, whoa. Like maybe you're nauseous trying to run on that. I don't know. But then wouldn't that affect you in the same way walking? And then what kind of a hotel experience would that be?
Right.
It's a cool concept, though. And it's amazing how our brains interpret those lines.
Yeah.
Like if that's completely flat.
It really feels like it.
Yeah.
Yet it doesn't. Yeah, you can't even imagine being drunk going down there.
And it still looks kind of pleasing in a way. No?
It looked like Dune. Like sand.
Right.
Sure, yeah.
Shout out
Maybe
DJ
the color,
Medusa. Appreciate it.
What happens does the carpet continue into the rooms?
I don't know.
Because that would be nutty.
Well, no, I don't think you would want that in your room.
No way.
That would be a little disorienting. So this is in Germany. Does it say exactly where it is? We might have to go check. We might have to send our field reporter. Some people are skeptical that that's really what it's for. Maybe they're just trying to be cool.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I wish we could see inside the rooms because now I want to know.
Maybe. Yeah. Oh, somebody's got a suggestion for lightweight pants. Thank you, David, for the super chat. He says I should try out North Face. I will look into it. I buy all the lightest weight pants.